Okay, switch the RTA over to that mode. So, yeah. And, okay, not a problem. Let's have a tinker. Let's have a little tinkle with it. I'm just going to have a little listen, so I'll see what I think. Just put some bit of movie on. Something familiar. So you noticed quite steep elevation and how it wasn't quite going steep. That's because of the characteristic of the HF horn, the screen in the way. But see how it goes. See how it sounds. Does it sound good, bad, worse? Does it need a little bit more improving, modifying, adjusting, rehearsal, trial and error? Of course, I didn't do the left and right, so it's going to be teasing me a little bit, I think.
What is that supposed to be?
Aren't you dead?
I assume you're loitering around here to learn what efficiency rating I plan to give your cadets.
I am understandably curious.
Enterprise to Admiral Kirk's shuttle. You're cleared for docking. Approach port side torpedo bay.
Well, that sounded a bit okay.
Enterprise to Admiral Kirk's shuttle. You're cleared for docking. Approach port side torpedo bay.
Kind of taking down some of the frequencies that were a little bit, and some in a little bit of elevation. Yeah, so I could hear the glasses.
Enterprise to Admiral Kirk's shuttle. You're cleared for docking.
And just when he takes the glass, you can hear a little tink, sort of like that's, you know, sound edited and synced, and you know, it seems all real, like, you know what I mean, Harry. It didn't sound like over harsh or anything. I only used a few filters. I still got this metal bar that's center metal bar of the screen, just to support. That needs to be. Still need to get some aluminium. Start fresh with 2 pieces of equal aluminium lengths, and then remove that center bar thing, and then just put 2 other pieces in that are not in that position there, but one slightly there and then one slightly there, that are not in the way of the HF horns, because the sound, you know, it's like you do that, yeah, and some sounds are going to sort of like, obviously they're getting round, but there's going to be some bit of sound is going to be kind of enhanced in some frequencies, not so enhanced, or it's going to be manipulating the sound. It's something that's just got to be I've got to get behind the screen, just do that, get some aluminium. I don't know why the manufacturer didn't notice that sort of problem, and didn't have 2 pieces of aluminium, so that they're not in the way of the. Doesn't matter for the bass. Bases only direction. You ain't gonna really notice that much. But either way, they shouldn't be in the way of the screen speakers. They shouldn't be in the way. Oh, but yeah, that was okay. Oh, go back. Let's try the high frequencies.
Be so much as a microbe, or the show's off. Oh, why don't you have a look? But if it is something that can
So
be
around
moved,
about between 8 and 9, 10 kilohertz. There. It's like a very tweety high frequency sort of sound, because it's all the things, in there, lights going back and forth and indicators blinking and lights bleeping and switching and bleeping and switching.
Times.
Oh, that sounds nice. That's okay.
Be so much as a microbe or the show's off.
Let me just try something else. Yeah, that's okay. Wow, wicked.
Shields are going up.
Lock phasers on target. Locking phasers on target.
They're locking phasers.
Raise ours.
Their coil emissions are normal.
They still haven't raised their shields. Raise ours.
Their shields are going up.
Lock phasers on target. Locking phasers on target.
They're locking phasers.
Ray shields.
Fire!
Ray.
Wow.
Try the emergency channels.
Sensors indicate a vessel that...
They're inoperable. I exaggerated.
Hours instead of days. Now we have minutes instead of hours.
They're inoperative below sea deck.
What is we're here on?
Not much, Admiral. We have partial main power.
That's it?
Best we could do in 2 hours.
Damage, Mr. Scott. But from where?
He's intelligent, but not experienced. His pattern indicates two-dimensional thinking.
Full stop. Full stop, sir. Z minus 10,000 meters.
That sort of sound. You get different sound, different frequencies.
Full stop. Full stop, sir.
So the helm,
Pattern indicates
when he presses on
two-dimensional thinking.
the helm control to, and the bleep.
Full stop. Full stop, sir.
So if I kind of
Pattern indicates
move,
two-dimensional thinking.
well, it's the arrival of the sounds, the tone. If I'm in a certain position, it sounds like the tone's more over to my left ear, even though it's coming out center channel, spread out into the room. There's very little, that could ping and reflect, but I'll stand up, move around like Captain Kirk. Because if I kind of turn
Pattern
myself
indicates
round,
two-dimensional thinking.
I'll be facing that way.
Full stop. Full stop, sir.
Sit down on
Pattern indicates
a sub.
two-dimensional thinking.
So I'm kind of like over here and I'm experimenting.
Full stop. Full stop, sir.
I hear it there.
Pattern indicates two-dimensional thinking.
Well, I'm using three-dimensional thinking, Mr. Spock. That's why I'm moving around.
Full stop. Full stop, sir.
Yeah.
Z minus 10,000 meters. Stand by photon torpedoes.
Cool, there's a lot of bass in that. Oh.